Hello student, in the last class we create slab, boundary wall with columns and stairs. For this class I already prepared something like garden lamp, man door and railing column. I create these with the standard primitive like cylinder, sphere. I also prepare the street lamp with the cylinder and sphere. First I talk about main gate. I create with spline modeling. I select this and click on this button. It's called isolation selection. It's mean the selected object will show and other object will hide, and the shortcut is Alt Q, and by click again on this button object will show. So I enable first and talk about man door. Switch to front viewport. It's a group object, so first I open this group. If you want to work with group object without ungrouping, so you can choose open option and then edit them and then close. So first we talk about the geometry. I create this with the W rectangle, or you can also create with the outline option, and apply extrude to convert this as a 3D object. And these are other rectangle. I attach them and apply extrude modifier. So I hope you understand how I create this. Go to group option again and close this group and disable the isolation selection. If you want to open this man gate with the rotation tool, you have to change the pivot position in the corner for both doors. We already discussed how to change the pivot position by clicking on the hierarchy and affect pivot only button. You can change the pivot position like this. Now I create railing, and railing column is already prepared, and I also prepare the railing path. First we have to measure the total length of this spline, so you can click on this wrench icon and there is a option measure, and in this you can find total length of this shape is 90 feet 7 inches. If you calculate, you got 1080 inches, and if you add 7 inches, so 1087 is total length. And we create column at the 4 inches distance, so if you divide this value with the 4 inches, so you got 270 approx total column. I minimize this. First I select this column and then go to tools, align spacing tool, and pick the path first, and in the count section I type 270, choose copy option and apply and then close. Now you can delete the first column. Now I select this path and make two duplicate copy, one for top, and change the parameters first. In the rendering option enable the checkbox, and size is 2 inches. Okay, and same as I change the parameter for this also. And if you want to create more support, you can do by just click and drag, copy and change the parameter. This time I choose 0.5 inches, and you can also create a one more duplicate copy like this. Okay, so railing creation is complete. By this step you can create railing in very easy way. I hope you learned how to model a floor plan. If you create your, you can share with me. I will check and give my comment. Now we meet in the next section and start texturing basics.